just go from one to another, and you can enter or announce what the pieces are.
That'll do. I like to play a wee mixture on the harp. Not always the traditional reels or jigs, but this is a slip jig that's really lovely called Sport the Chase.
Well, Sandra, thank you very much for coming along here today. I had the mic off there. I was wondering why I couldn't get out over the airwaves. But thank you very much for coming along today. And we'll be seeing you again at the marquee here. And thank you very, very much.
You'll play us one last piece then, are you?
Right, that'll do lovely. Thank you for having me.
It's brilliant. You're great there, sir. Thank you very much for coming along.
Super.
Sandra, and that was Sandra Kirk playing the harp to us. And if you would like to text us, do feel free to do so on 077 326 99